again. One man cry, Ghana from boys na come do woman. What 20 million, I said 10 million mom. No man Jimmy, won't do a chief youth president. How can you be youth president? Who bet me a youth president of Ghana? What put them a good father cry a dinner at now? A poor fruit got a jaffifa. A good father cry a dinner at Messi. A reason a woman. Massa, or be a whoopra cope. Will be also your respect. And so won't for respect my good father. Won't for respect more too for a jaffifa. Young baby shame. Now you're crying fear. And send a better two for him. And easy. And send a pronifita be called two for him. Or koto a bonimwasi. And so mama preko way David way. The 2 or 2 for them how many years? Now Santa for much more mutin a tinamo share. Near to all why you forbid to Germany. And you for a chimney for bit to Germany. Now a sharp rancher near a friend. Why you be a coffre David Abbott now? Now as we intervene. Was I intervene more bishops and anosem? Now me broke for say. Sawa in any question penny me will be that. Sawa in no coffre David Better social media so. I'm now good and massing. Well, man, that David will say on only somebody because Abrochena Martin. And Timothy Abrochena, Abrochena David, and some of David Eka 2 or 2 for some. And Timothy sooner. Now 5 minutes and Bremo. Most of I am for more representative sentiment. Moya Hema more representative sentiment. Multimis you are planted. Then Muchimi, Mutiti, Germany war. Now most so David Wesson, walk at the Jaffifa, what down for David, a boofru. Masa boofru Jimmy, and a Canadian. There was a Timono, yes, son, and near Tennessee David. Near and crab punishing David, and Tiama David will go to for animation. They did in another animation, all because of some politics. You want NDC to come power. You want opposition party to come power. So they have to call you and give you something. And more. You bring an NDC. Kwasia for you bring an NDC. Ghana na must say constitution yes and Apuuuuu who created that constitution. And I for a good parliament one. And you for a good woman to 11. I don't know what constitution on. My Jimmy, my friend who you to the end. Oh friend or Henry. Oh your Henry. And do wakaga shaggy. Yeah. Siem for zongo for wa santimem et me protect you to for fight him or to for who can touch every for champagne to social media so et him cry and do to for them. Now we have a friend we are santi. We are winning to so him. A poor fruit. Messimu Mammy in a town among trendy video, mammy. Now one thing we said, Abby, a Santa Fon cry and Jimmy yo. We are not so stupid. We are not idiot. Asia, who touch Chinia Tony say? Chinia Tony, what have you at Monte today? A boy by John Crank at toilet is a canoa. Ghana and a policy Sibino. Ghana and Mabesia and Marwana chip VAT to Okrumia, and then a bampenny from Po. A bampenny from pay VAT. You claim woman, a bampenny from pay VAT, and citizens will be our tongue and toes. What chip VAT, me boa busobi, Frafon busobi. Now what chip VAT also a tap on your kufado. What's what tap on 2 4? What to come into a type on nonsense? What type on my nonsense my foot? Nonsense my foot. VAT who can you crash for? Ghana for a move VAT and say a band penny for here. Now you are gonna sky V8 a policies and a Bama Ghana in your VAT. Policies. I'll be tia brocha and first can't talk. I'll be tia brocha, young first can't talk. You cram on your first can't talk. A policies. As a bank account. As a utiotas. As a what we can, what transfer, now we withdraw, now what the aqua car company. As a Juma way, Yanisika cash is a Ghana here. Would you pay cash? Sikalifa account to Bantitas. Now the document are called V8. I should pay about account to Sika account to know what the car be open. Now what the Range Rover, what the Honda and what the Mercedes, what the Saloon, the Opebia. And so Ghana. NDC with no vision. NDC with no vision couldn't even create all those kind of system for Ghana. And the Kufuor is creating. Who can touch every far from what's say? Oh, you're a freedom fighter. You don't even support those kind of policies. And you sit down and you call yourself, say, we are youth president. The youth must follow you. You to be a do a champagne. kata Jeffrey fan kwa de press ni nyasa se no aboafunu sa wo kata Jeffrey fan kwa se ma okekan we press bati TPP mudi ani bre na makoti freedom fighter akoti face the country because say Ghana for what ya na sika ba unse unya sika bia ni on kwasa ya fa baba sika no kwasem ya fa baba sika no kwasem face the country ade ano be video say we die TV station na Ghana for no kra o kuma Ghana ni say yenye we wo Ghana o kuma Ghana ni say yen fight ma Ghana better Ghana na Ghana ni solitia catch me solitia because say we be wiase jam how many times na me say we fight ma Ghana and why did you fight against a Akufo-Addo this time? Why is only a Akufo-Addo government you fight? Because before Akufo was president, you Katacha FIFA was close to Akufo, you didn't fight against MPP. You was benefit from Akufo, you never fight against MPP. And today, Akufo is no more. Akufo-Addo is in power. And Akufo-Addo is not giving you what you want. Akufo-Addo is not allowing you to get what you want. So you hit Akufo-Addo. And through you hit Akufo-Addo, Otumfuo congratulate Akufo-Addo. And Otumfuo become problem for Ghanaians. Because of Otumfuo congratulate Akufo-Addo, they are now insulting Otumfuo. And you are part of it. And today as I'm talking to you, you are in Otumfuo Paris. Praising Otumfuo. What kind of nonsense is this? What kind of nonsense is this? Kwasia for ya Ghana na ya born Ghana and ka baby ban wotimi maye sa common chance no say yonko school yonko snadia can you say una aba kire say we youth president we must listen to you but me jitum say na go for the time you to be in provocation you to be abensing you to be no treasure so be casting. This is what I want to tell you. Through Akufo-Addo policies, you to be no treasure, I'm Sakale Jeffrifa, Obekasna. And so what Akufo-Addo say, a santimemo Japadian, and Abana fa, and I say Abana compensate as santimine. Hey, catch this for say, Omuba, compensate as santimine, what? Now you two a santimamo go to a check. You teacher timber was santimamo in a check. I'm an assassin. Koko wa santimam and this for at 20 asantimam adia jamama ne and this timi ya kajetia and so otum for the Kwasia contract no otum for na yes project no and this for the support man no and so and this for so na kajetia mo otum for nkasa otum for the mo nkasa and this for say omu na kajetia otum for must be quiet. Asari azeki awohweme se wonfa wutimi no Kwasia semanko se wonfa yede anko sa wudi asari asantidi na da so no amesi asantefo bebremu agimie na gimi asantini a wo so to abama ndisi gimi efri se oboase wo nana shedi abrantie bi cho yese wode nana shedi wo mu nyina di Akufo-Addo atem du Otumfuo atem kaseti Otumfuo aboa obra bonanka wo Okwatina say Moloko as a Mexico hono. Moloko kra say abrochiri. Okwatina ene wono. Obra bonanka o matina Ghana, ka oba Ghana ko obi adwuma. Sa oba obra yan ka oba Ghana wo obi adwuma. Na na shedi. Ene wo na na shedi no. Wo sori ti Akufo-Addo wo yi ukrom. Wo boase hwedan esisi wo ne tan. Wo ni ka eventela wo na na shedi. Woni ka eventela munkoya mudi ka yechi afrifachi mukura mu boase what time frimi nkura blem boase akoye kunipa bridge ya da boase kwam kunipa aboa Akufo-Addo adaro ma ye gu boase na wona boase afiche bi egu kwan boase kwan Akufo-Addo na abegu enso mukura mu yetu